Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send bulk SMS in Gohighlevel so we can reach multiple contacts at once. Whether we are sending promotions, updates, or reminders, this feature helps us communicate quickly and efficiently. Now, on the Gohighlevel dashboard, to send bulk messages, we just need to click on Contacts. Once we are in the Contacts section, we need to select the contacts we want to send the SMS to. For example, we can filter by those that have a phone number. Next, we just need to click on More. A drop-down menu will appear, and we click on Send SMS. After writing our message, we simply click Send Message. At the moment, we cannot do a full demonstration because we do not have a phone number connected to this account. But if we did, we would type our message, like "Hi," and then click Send SMS. And that is how we send bulk SMS in Gohighlevel. Just a few simple steps to stay connected with our audience at scale.